Hey guys, this is Bharadwaj with PhoneArena.com and this is the Intel NUC 5i5RYH. You've already seen the part 1 of this video where we assembled this device by installing 8 gigs of RAM and an SSD, and then it turned into a PC. So now we have installed a couple more components to make it a full-fledged PC. So this is indeed a full-fledged PC to which you can connect a keyboard, a mouse, a monitor, and whatever that's needed. So we have connected a wireless mouse, a wired keyboard, and the monitor through the mini display port here. So we have a display port to HDMI converter that gives the output image to this monitor. So that's the whole PC setup here. It's very compact, and the use cases we will discuss after installing Windows on it. So we downloaded the latest Windows 10 technical preview just to see how this machine can handle Windows, and we are installing Windows right now, as you can see. So the Windows installation is now complete, and what we have here is the setup menu. Let's go through the setup menu quickly and go to the full operating system to see how it performs. So what you're seeing here is Windows 10 and its setup. You might not have seen this already in other systems because this is not out yet. This is just the technical preview and it might not even work perfectly from what we have learned. This device is powered by a Core i5 processor, so there should be no problems with it handling Windows 10 completely. So this is basically it. This is Windows 10, that's what you're seeing here, and it looks fabulous on the new NUC Intel system. And this is the new start screen. You have Cortana and all the new features here working pretty good. The overall performance is great, and here you can see the hard disks that we have connected. So the removable disk that you see here is what we used to install Windows on this PC, and the C drive, as you can see, it's a 128 gigabyte SSD and we have 96 gigabytes free. The icons have changed. Windows 10 looks really good, and that's how it works on the NUC. So you can see here we got a couple of notifications, and it just says an update is being installed. We are already connected to the internet, and this is the new notification panel of Windows 10. But again, yes, this is all about the NUC. Now let's go into the computer and check the information of this device. So you can see that it's running on Windows 10 Pro inside a preview. This is the processor and this is the RAM we had installed, and also this is 64-bit processor, so it supports 64-bit operating system, which is the Windows 10 that we downloaded. So yes, that's the information of this NUC thing. And when the use cases and when it comes to use cases, the NUC is most likely a media center kind of PC. So it's very compact. You can take this around, you can put this in your bag and probably travel around with it. And just by connecting a number of components, you get a full-blown PC. And this is full Windows, as you can see. And it's Core i5. It's not Core i3 or Core M or Celeron or any other low-end processor. This is like proper full performance processor, and you can obviously play 4K video on this. So that's the big play here. This does not cost much and lets you configure the amount of storage and RAM that you want on this device, and you can use it as a media center PC or just a portable thin client of sorts that you can power monitors. So we already saw the compute stick, which is an even more compact version of this. This has an Atom chip inside and has you can see vents for blowing air out, and you can even see a little fan here. So this is a complete PC, but it is an Atom chip. It's not as powerful as the NUC, which is definitely more powerful and is probably the equivalent to a Mac Mini experience on a PC. So that's the setup and the first look at the NUC as a media center PC. We can obviously install more apps on this and do anything just like a full-blown Windows machine. And we can do anything on this, including playing 4K videos and whatnot, because this is a full Windows machine. That's the Intel NUC 5i5RYH powered by Intel technology. So that's about it for the video. Do hit a like button if you like this and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Thanks for watching.